Hi, I'm James from Modern Spare, and today we're going over the spare tire kit for the Genesis G80 and G80 Electrified. Now, before we start with the installation, we want to give a shout out to Autolocity for letting us borrow this car. If you're in the market for a new vehicle, be sure to check them out. Now, if you're on the side of the road, be sure to make safety your top priority. Try to get off of the busy road if possible. Be sure to turn on your hazards, put on a safety vest, and put out safety triangles if you have them. To jump directly to the install, go to the timestamp here at the bottom left-hand corner. Now, let's go over some of the components that come in your Modern Spare kit. To start off, you have the wheel and tire. We have our aluminum alloy wheel with a T155/70R19 tire. This will give you the correct diameter for the Genesis G80 and G80 Electrified. Included in the kit is our 2-ton scissor jack with our ratcheting handle that allows you to easily lift and lower the vehicle. Also included is our extendable lug wrench, which allows you to have plenty of torque to take off stubborn lug nuts. You'll have 2 reversible sockets, giving you a 21 and 22 millimeter, as well as the 17 and 19 millimeter. You'll be able to put your damaged tire into the provided poly bag. This allows you to keep your vehicle clean. Everything will fit neatly into the provided carrying case. This allows you to store it in the vehicle neatly. Now let's get into the install. Start by parking the vehicle on flat ground. Make sure the vehicle is in park and engage your parking brake. If you're on the side of the road, go ahead and turn on your hazards. If your Modern Spare kit includes the carrying case, you can use it as a knee pad to make the installation process easier. Begin by loosening the lug nuts with your lug wrench before raising the vehicle. We're using the 21 millimeter socket in this case. If your lug nuts are different, use the appropriate socket. Please note that this vehicle came equipped with a locking lug nut, and the key was located in the rear of the vehicle. With the lug nuts loosened, it's time to lift the vehicle. Place the jack under the vehicle and center over the designated mounting point on your Genesis. Use the ratcheting wrench to lift the vehicle. Once the tire is off the ground, remove the lug nuts completely with the lug wrench and take the wheel off the vehicle. Use proper lifting techniques to avoid back strain. Store the damaged tire in the provided polyurethane bag to keep your vehicle clean. Next, place the Modern Spare on the vehicle, aligning the 5 holes with the 5 spokes of the wheel. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, ensuring the wheel is snug and seated to the hub before lowering the vehicle. Switch the ratcheting wrench to lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Finally, use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the factory recommended torque. Put your tools and case back in the vehicle, turn off your hazard lights, and you're ready to hit the road again. That's how to install the Modern Spare on a Genesis G80 and G80 Electrified. If you're fixing the tire yourself, you can follow these same steps to reinstall the fixed tire. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit modernspare.com or reach out to one of our technical representatives. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on our future YouTube videos. Thank you for watching.